AI is changing everything right now, particularly in software. It's changing how we create our own software. It's changing how quickly we can release. It's changing how we're going to market. It's changing how we're accessing data, et cetera. What are some of the ways that you're seeing it leveraged to the best effect in revenue operations today?
So I'll give you, these are all hypotheses. I've dabbled and played with the tools that are available to us at this time. I'd imagine the technology would rapidly change in very short order. But I've seen like visions of a team comprised of humans and agents. So imagine some of these roles that have more manual, repetitive tasks. Those go away with automation, obviously, but they also go away with agents because when you think about automation today, it's an if this then that type of situation, and someone has to tool that. But in an agentic world, you could give it a natural language prompt in English. Hey, I need you to do this, and then course correct along the way, and you are very quickly building an app or an agent that takes care of that task without having to code the if this then that. So imagine an org where you had a sales assistant for every seller. That's amazing. Imagine you had a forecast agent that did most of the forecasting up to the 90% line, and then the RevOps manager or sales ops manager took it the last 10% because it maybe still requires a human touch. There's some things that maybe a bot can't do, and I don't know what that is, right? Like, I'm not sure exactly. Can the bot like take care of like certain tasks that only humans can do? So we'll figure out what those limits are fairly quickly across every work stream within the business. We might actually find that it might replace every single human with all agents, or it doesn't. It replaces 80% of humans, but I don't think it's going to replace 0%, right? So when we think about that, it might say replacing 60, 70% of each human's role, and that then leaves the 70% of the time to focus on higher value activities or to do something else entirely, right? So you'd imagine the org being filled with 100 FTEs who are only working 30% time, but you're getting 4x the value in that 30% time. So instead of 30%, you're getting 120% of what they used to do because they're now not bogged down by the administrative. So that's to me what is hugely exciting about a lot of these different tools.